You're heading to Bali and want to get to that paradise beach as soon as possible. That's amazing. But let's be honest. Your vacation shouldn't start only after you've survived the chaos of the airport. It should begin the moment you step off the plane. Today, I'll show you how to get through Bali Airport quickly and stress-free, from passport and visa to baggage, money, SIM card, and transport. Everything will be fast and smooth. Let's go! The first thing on your Bali journey is your passport. It must be valid for at least 6 months and be in perfect condition. Even a small stain or tear could get you denied entry. Second, the visa. Yes, you can get it at the airport, but the line can take up to 2 hours. Better option is the electronic visa. You apply online and head straight to immigration without the hassle. Here's how to do it. Go to the Indonesian Immigration Service website, link in the description. Click the yellow button on the left. Choose the country of your passport. Then select the main purpose of visit. General, the secondary purpose. Tourism, and choose electronic visa. Confirm, upload your documents, pay the fee, and you'll get a QR code, which is best to print out and keep with you. If you already have the visa, you just walk through transit to get your baggage. If not, you'll be stuck waiting in line for immigration officers. Now, I was going to explain how to fill out all the other necessary documents for Bali. But starting September 1st, the Indonesian government has launched the All-Indonesia Arrival Card system. It's a web portal and a mobile app where you can fill in your details once and complete all the required airport procedures. Declare what you're bringing or not bringing. It's very convenient. This literally just started on September 1st, so if you're traveling later, check the link in the description. If you'd like me to record a separate tutorial on filling out the All-Indonesia Arrival Card step by step, leave a comment and I'll make one. Next, the Love Bali Tourist Levy. This is a mandatory payment of 150,000 rupiah, about $10–15 US, which goes to preserving Bali's culture and environment. It's paid separately through the website, link in description, or the Love Bali app. After payment, you'll receive a QR code, which may be checked either at tourist attractions or at the airport. Now it's time to exchange money. You can do this at a money changer or withdraw from an ATM. Here at the money changer for $100 US, they give us 1,940,000 rupiah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 400.
Keep in mind, fees are high, so it's better to exchange a small amount at the airport and do the rest in town where the rates are better. Mobile connection. Bali has 3 main mobile operators. As soon as we exchanged money and stepped out, you'll find stalls selling SIM cards. Here's XL Axiata. I've heard good reviews about them. Reliable coverage. Now I'm buying an eSIM, and I'll tell you the price. They even offer 5G. The process is quick, the price is affordable, and coverage is almost everywhere. So now we're all set. We have money, SIM cards, we've cleared immigration, collected our baggage. The last step is getting to the hotel. My recommendation, just download the Grab app, link in description. It works like Uber. Easy, transparent pricing, and drivers arrive quickly. Yes, there are local taxi drivers right at the exit, and they're aggressive. They'll grab you by the arm, promise the same price, but then calculate with some crazy exchange rate. Don't fall for it. If you want to avoid trouble, simply wait for your Grab driver at the official pickup point. All this preparation comes down to one thing: confidence. You step off the plane knowing every step ahead. You just arrive at your hotel, and the only thing left is to decide what's next: surfing in Canggu, sunsets in Seminyak, temples in Ubud, or just a coconut under the palm trees. Subscribe, and in the next video, I'll show you how to fly from Bali to Singapore without losing money. See you!